all these native doctors today, how to register non-government. These are more about American call. Let's say they on Christmas. Come to 1 year upon again. Powerful and people again go through 1 year about what generation there.
Will you keep quiet?
I'm a day who can definitely Fulani has met. Now they go in and can. Now, Fulani has met. I can actually one demo. I don't know who said anything was a Biafra again. I could come here to make a Biafra again. Mazen Nandicano, photography from DSS. Then I can't be watching and keep us up. Aburakeja, they want a Biafra. Let me just say this morning. I get the Biafra. In a Biafra, but here, good. The best at a bus stop, and I will soon open the dinner. Or never done a Christmas, and we're about working it up where hands up struggle, Abby. That is struggle. Whatever, but one another. Hands up struggle. I didn't push him like a Biafra again. Unaman on me again, or somebody will change it. What my concern is, let Mazen Nanakan come out first. Come on a way out because the way people just not keep us on the Jumayan Miri. Come back and develop, operation. Remember your home, operation, develop your land. For where? More than billionaires. Look at Ajamenugu, over and Igbo, no America, not so but Igbo, Goromenugu, and our Lion Business Park. The highest in the whole of Africa. More than 5,000. What is the 5,000 acres of land? Every government knows. Man, do you know the reason why all had to wear the airports? Because of insecurity. Because of insecurity. Now, Alaba International, now, enough for straight to Mumbai in Lagos. Mumbai, they are willing to come back home and develop their land. But the problem is that if they develop Ben Nugget, Biafra. Biafra you have a wound on very soon. That Biafra, you have a wound on very soon and keep us well. Or a poor, a Chubak Ebo, a poor, a Chubak Ebo, get a 1 year problem. Come on, get a no problem, wouldn't want to amicably. A Jpac and non-government. No non-government was in the set to lose the case. The next was book, I got blue here, it's not Biafra. Who I said, I have Biafra, I can no, I don't look on her. Christmas, no. Then 9 and then 9, I'm enjoy. Our fathers and our mothers cannot come back home and enjoy their children because now are Biafra. I don't know. I just look on her. A man no. If the price of a nationhood will be by regular bloodletting, let there be a nation. Let there be no nation. Let there be no nation. Nobody will talk. Every blogger will close mouth. Every comedian will close mouth. Pastors will close mouth. Bishop and reverend, my chief priest, my leader, everybody will close mouth. Then if God ordains somebody that will speak for Igbo, online because of getting no. I pity for Igbo. I pity for Igbo. At that time, now am I truly an Igbo person? Because I'm my mother they are doing in America. I won't be part of this rubbish. How many my mother they are doing in Europe? By now, my boy in Nigeria. Or talking of this man boy. Because now I'm not too much. Somebody will make money to come back home to develop his father's land. Money are not on or because of the Mabu. Has a name of struggle. Money are soon a government here or food all around because of struggle. Everybody will sabo. Everybody will sabo. It's hard that we come out and speak up because this is getting out of hand. Kidnapping and robbery is it part of the struggle? I want to ask. I don't even live on daily basis. I need blue money on daily basis. You will see this and talk. No, if you go before the hand on those today, I rather be in exile. I'm saying the truth. Nonsense people. Here to Diego, let's send Diego. A man phone in our village. Name one and more. Yalia over again, Leo way. Also, need a mortuary where is Imagine the say, keep a dozen boys Somebody that you will not bury your mother, that you will not bury your father, that you have to bring 5 million, 10 million. On what basis? Is it part of the struggle? Come to one year upon again. Powerful and people again go to the one generation there. I'm a Fulani has met. Now they go in and can. Now, Fulani has met. I can actually one Igbo. Fulani has met and now I can actually Igbo. I'm a media not Germany. Bring that time and say the truth for once. Stop bringing the face of Nnamdi Kanu on every of your live broadcast. All your live broadcasts, the book Nnamdi Kanu, freedom. I never want freedom in Germany. Get with freedom na UK. First of all, we must have to be free from evil within ourselves. Call up the media, let him come here. I want to come there whatever picture Nnamdi Kanu can we want the followers. If I get picture Nnamdi Kanu from now till next 40 years, people are children. Because I am the game plan. When I don't know why now San strategize never rush over on your chicha over there, Yoruba, or your chicha over there, Monausa, and we do never slave. Come in unity and one accord. Can you know why I do to? Then we're showing that direct minute. I am a no never that poor was not sabo and whatever they were. I'm the Lulu who was a child in the young room. Come here, the young room of bar. Only that I hit about war, when he came on a woman terrible. Only an apple, it's a bastard bullet about war. Oh, when he came on Yama, Yabo woman 20, Mobin or Brahasu. Why killing ourselves? Get out of work, a Jpac in the Moya, and a brew or broom packing. Even if let them go to home and settle that oku, or better and settle that oku. All come money to Maringa, or labor the police, they take off a baby. Then I'm going to oku, a Bible here. Most of all these native doctors today have the traditional non-government. Get out of more about American call. Let's say they have on a Christmas. All your man out there to go Biafra. Holy Ghost fire after Yaka. They go be a Gumaka, the leader of Nnamdi Kanu. Countless because he wants peace. He is the only person that will come out today and wear peace. He is the only person that will come out today and wear peace in the southeast. Because only who they know me can wear peace now Igbo. Can investors now but they develop. When you go to Aguilera, you have empty land. Aguilera. Empty land in Aguilera. If you go to Omo, empty land I am develop. If you go to Imo State, empty land I am develop. Who will develop it? Can they develop it? If you go to Enugu State, Oji River, a lot of empty land. Where you are telling your brother to come and develop. How? When? Where? Ebe develop. Here go cement Brunei site. And now if I may experience na Lagos, but if I may experience na Igbo, who is not natural freedom. I can melu na anya ka hunu natural freedom. With your kworo na anya ukwu, na ipara mari yenike, o ihe ju mari Igbo. Ekworo na anya ukwu, na ipara mari yenike, o ejiri mari Igbo, o se nka nju oni o, in case of them they make mistake. Go to Abakaliki, they are doing well, and I do the job. And I do there. Yes, they will mind on APC. I am a war, not an APC. This and that. But the Jagade State, yeah, came for here, they will naka. Half the time the party I wanted them, no, I'm an APC, this and that. Just then, who will put here, they will my hero on Ebony State. He on up the Andausa, because he have a guy, he have a guy lie. Then who will put Kai on up the Abuja. It also went up the president. President focus on Ebony State. And we have a classical Ebony State. Anambra, when I move like that, the answer is no. Igbo State, when I move like that, the answer is no. The only person we have in Igbo land today is Alex Oti of Abia State. Now go to Abia State and see what Alex Oti is doing in Abia State. Come Currently, Abia State Governor Alex Oti edega just submitted a DSS. Now you be go to Nana. Get release area one day working. Come and come shorty. Alex Oti, but they go shorty. Get release in Nanikano. Who will do that? There are few. That's only actually go to Abia State now. For over 10 years of administration, Abia State has experienced Fernando until a day like this. But Alex Oti, go to Abia. No, not me. I'm going to go. Jane Abia. Even our own Abia about Julius Berger. Julius Berger. Or even our own Abia State. Alex Oti, God will bless you. Who will do that? And they go back to Igbo State. Oh, okay, but you go too much. Your name is sorry.